Welcome back. Second half action now. Many-time champions Cornwall College scored the biggest win on the day in the round of 16 in the ISSA DaCosta Cup following a 6-1 victory over Malden High on Wednesday. Meanwhile, the St. Elizabeth Technical's win over Kempsey was marred by controversy.
The goals continued to pour for Cornwall College as Malden High were the latest recipients. On the back of 13 goals scored on the weekend, Cornwall College were back at it again in a 6-1 win. Nicaine Brown and Mackay Foster were on target twice in setting up the win. Corlando Morris and Shaquem Gibson were the other scorers for Cornwall. Javon Anglin got Malden's consolation in the 35th minute.
It's always good to get off on a winning foot. Still, we think the boys, they are still not playing up to their full potential. But like I said, in the past, once they keep playing, it will get better, as they go along.
Over at St. Elizabeth Technical, controversy reigned as the home team beat Kempsey 4-0. Sets were on their way to victory after leading 3-0 when Kempsey thought they should have been awarded a penalty. With none forthcoming, the Kempsey players were told to protest, which they did, but the referee allowed play to continue, with Saw Stets walking the ball into the net, Wayne Brown getting the goal. Earlier, Kaim Lewis scored the opener in the 42nd minute. RJ Newman made it 2-0 in the 47th minute. And Lewis returned for his double when he scored in minute 59 for 3-0. Kempsey ended with 9 players as goalkeeper Mario Chambers and Ricardo Dean were red-carded.
The game started quite competitive, but I think the indiscipline of the Kempsey spoiled the entire game. One, I don't think they understand the rules of the game, and two, to have players on the field being disrespectful to the referee is acts of poor sportsmanship.
Ocherias High were 1-0 winners over Old Harbour High at Draxall. Daria James got the lone goal of the game in the 90th minute.
To be honest, I give credit to all about the tactics and how they're playing was really good. Forced us to change, and unfortunately, one of it, was lucky. And we got the goal and we defended it, and 3 points. It's round out 16. 3 points is more important than anything that is pretty.
Christiana High got the better of William Knibb 3-0 at Manchester High. It took Christiana 40 minutes to break down the Trelawney-based school. In the end, it was Chiffon Lewis with an own goal for 1-0. William Knibb were in further trouble when Brandon Satchel made it 2 a minute into the second half. And the win was completed through Adrian Smith in the 71st minute to give Christiana a winning start.
It was a competitive game, I thought. They must give credit to the William Knibb team as well. They're a young team, but they stood up to the test of time. And our boys are a little bit more clinical today, and hence the victory.
Elsewhere, McGraw High had a 2-0 win over Manchester High. Dintil had a 2-1 win over Manning School. Clarendon College and Gavin Maceo ended 0-0, while Glenmuir High defeated Magotty 1-0. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.